Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Google Pixel 7 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to bypass Google parental controls on this phone. As you can see, I have no YouTube Music, and Google Wallet application and a lot of other applications. For example, this is parent's device of this account. So as you can see, I have a lot of blocked applications on this device, and now I will show you how to bypass Google Family Link. So firstly, you need to open Settings. Then choose Google. Then manage your Google account. Choose data and privacy, scroll down and choose delete your Google account. Enter your password. Yes, we will delete Google account, but not afraid, we will recover it in this video. So not afraid, we can recover it during 14 days or 12 days. I forgot, but we can recover it during long time. So click yes, choose delete account. We will recover all our payments too, so not afraid. It's completely safe operation. So as you can see, open your apps menu, and as you can see, I have a lot of applications here. But now, just let's see on Parents app, Parents Family Link app. As you can see, it's so buggy. So just reload it, and as you can see, we can see child's Google account here. Why? Because Google account was successfully unlinked from parent's device. Of course, your parent will know about it. So you need to know that your parents will know about unlinking your Google account. So you can't hide bypassing a Google Family Link from your parents. So I suggest you tell it firstly that parents will know about it. So open your settings, open your Play Store to recover our Google account. So open Play Store and enter your email, HardReset.Info in my case, and you will see this message: account deleted. This account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to restore this account. So click next and enter the password. Then click next again. You will see message about something went wrong. So click next and try to log in again. HardReset.Info in my case. You need to enter your email, and now we don't see message about deleting account, so it means that all is done. So just enter your password again. Click next. I agree and accept, and cool. As you can see, Google account was successfully recovered on our device. Google Family Link is not recovered. We have all applications. Now we can remove. Now we can remove our Family Link application. So just hold it, click uninstall, OK. And as you can see, Google Family Link was successfully uninstalled. I have all my blocked applications, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.